In this video, I will be teaching you how you can add your bank card to Fidelity. Now first you need to do is open up your Fidelity app and then log in your account. Then you have to click on this profile icon from the top of your screen on top right corner. Then from this profile sections, you have to scroll down and find this option manage debit card. You just have to tap on it, and once you click on it, it will give you bunch of option and it will also show you the debit cards that currently linked to your Fidelity account. Now from there you have to click on add a new debit card option or add a new card option. So it will be labeled as this as link or link card or add card. You just have to tap on it, and then you just have to enter your card details such as your card number and the name of your card, the name that you have in your card, and expiration date and CVV, and then click on add, and then it will verify your identity. So it might send you the verification code to your phone number or email. So once you follow these steps, your bank card will be linked to your Fidelity. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.